Let's talk about how staying anonymous on the dark web actually works. To access the dark web, you will need to use a specialized software like the Tor browser. This software works with the darknet infrastructure to allow users to stay anonymous while surfing dark web websites. Now, how does this actually work? Well, first you're going to go ahead and fire up your Tor browser and figure out what site it is that you would like to visit. Sites on the dark web are not indexed like they are on the general internet. So you'll need to know the exact URL that you're trying to visit before you make your request. Once you're in your Tor browser and you make the request to the URL that you have identified as one you would like to visit, your traffic is wrapped in a multi-layer encryption, like an onion. Hence the name Tor browser, which stands for the onion router. Your traffic request is then sent through a series of volunteer-run servers called nodes. The first node your device connects to is called the guard node. This is your entry point. Now, this node will be able to see your legitimate IP address because your device is having to make the initial connection with it. However, it does not know what you're doing or where you're going. Think of this as a front door. It knows you have entered the house but has no idea what room you're going to. The next stop will peel back another layer of encryption, and this is called the relay node, or the middle node. This is the intermediate hop between the entry and exit nodes. It can only see the previous traffic from the guard node and the next stop, which is the exit node. But it cannot see the original request that came from your IP address. This adds a layer of separation and confusion for anyone that might want to trace your traffic. And our last stop is the exit node. This is the last node before you hit the requested site. This node decrypts the final layer and forwards the traffic to your destination. Now, this node can see the site that is being visited and the previous stop, but it still does not know where the traffic came from. Now, through this traversal, your traffic has been encrypted and obfuscated through these different hops. And that's how you stay anonymous on the darknet. Go ahead and give my account a follow for more cybersecurity and digital underground research.